Wow.
I'm
Yes.
talking about the music,
Yes.
the
The
power
power of
of
the
the good
music.
music.
Hmm.
And
Yes,
the
sir.
good music, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
I'm
sir.
telling you, so that, yeah, go ahead.
And let me tell you, like I said, when I was playing the songs, it's bringing me back to when I first heard a lot of these songs as a youth. You know, brings you right to that,
You
and
can't help but move.
it's yeah, and it's good vibes, good, and you know, and you were talking about lyrics and the lyrical content, you know, and you have songs you know, that very suggestive in
Without saying it
without saying.
explicitly, you
Dub,
say it and make your point.
it's called double entendre. It's called double entendre. Therefore, a young child, 8 and 9 years old, they hear exactly what you're saying, because when Sparrow says saltfish, a young child knows he's talking about saltfish.
Right.
But all the big old course people like me and you, we know exactly what he means. But a young person, so it's called double entendre. Yeah, man. And that's a, it's a very creative